Most certainly, couple of organizations by and large have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that truly present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV, which is very huge. Bitcoin SV gives basically less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, taking out the intricacies engaged with the by and large decentralized environment and in an every way that really matters, significant way. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost expectation, really let us view a portion of the novel highlights of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV establishment, acting mindfully. The additions from the Bitcoin establishment additionally give to BSV the local area benefit. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets unselfish commitments and a flourishing number of individuals, which essentially is very critical. The Bitcoin SV designers additionally have progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that advance sort of dynamic conversation on BSV, or so they sort of thought. When supported, the engineer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area, which is very huge. The stage likewise includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you in every way that really matters, with understanding the functionalities kind of better. Bitcoin SV value, following the verifiable examination in a significant way. No big surprise, the historical backdrop of Bitcoin SV fundamentally has been sensibly solid, with Bitcoin hustling up to basically turn into an especially open decision in 2019. It gave force to this coin likewise, and its cost contacted a record-breaking high of $95 in a kind of enormous manner. The amazing meeting went on with minimal rectifications. Afterward, Bitcoin SV truly showed a huge retreat in the long stretch of September 2020. Another significant explanation really was that the area offered other option and certainly enhanced venture choices to Bitcoin and other computerized resources, which generally is genuinely critical. So while some money resources hit all-time highs of $70, BSV was all the while battling, showing an eagerly awaited obstruction at $100.28. BSV highlighted returning, building up some decent forward movement at $120.20 in spite of the pandemic in 2020, in an essentially significant manner. No big surprise, what's to come appears to be by and large splendid for the cash as much as the help from financial backers incredibly. The specialized examination likewise explicitly reveals insight into the future cost gauge in an unobtrusive manner. BSV is in every way that really matters. Token has been making especially dynamic developments in the cryptographic money market, recorded on most of trades. The Extremely token shows a market capitalization of $1,696,752,441.73 and especially is presently having a volume flow of 19,013,008 BSV on the lookout. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of the in every practical sense token has all things considered weighted around $89.20. The specialists have differed conclusions with respect to the BSV cost expectation for the future, or so they most certainly thought. In view of the BSV cost expectation, a drawn-out increment by and large is normal, which generally is genuinely critical. The cost visualization during the current year is around $12.66, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV expectation. BSV USD could generally arrive at a cost really normal of around $259.56 toward the finish of 2022 and by 2025, going up to the greatest cost of $842.27. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, this is keeping fingers explicitly crossed in a really significant manner. BSV, going by what it especially was before, BSV USD by and large sounds profoundly bullish as it sort of has shown a dependable consistency in an essentially enormous manner. By December 2022 end, the cost of Bitcoin SV ought to effectively swing around $88.09. Since December 2021, BSV coin most certainly was confronting revision in an unpretentious manner. In spite of the fact that there is a slight recuperation from February 2022, however, from that point forward, the coin fundamentally has enrolled in unstable development since spring in a very enormous manner. At present, the cost of Bitcoin SV is exchanging over the multi-day MAMA, which is a decent sign, yet the cost generally is as yet exchanging under multi-day MAMA, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. As per the current situation, it is anticipated that BSV will show pretty moderate recuperation in the very present moment, or so they thought. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2022. In view of 1-year verifiable information and expectations, there are even cost figures that the coin might concoct its blockchain stage, changing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled on the planet's truly significant cryptographic money trades toward the finish of 2022, taking its cost to $125.31 amazingly. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2023. The year's end 2023 could offer a buy-to-all negative and cynical cost patterns for the universe of digital currency, particularly for BSV. It could, in every way that really matters, mean the beginning of a period of, for the most part, expectations and commitments sort of brimming with hopefulness, or so they explicitly thought. The treasured resource would, in every way that really matters, ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $125 to $155 in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2024, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the realm of digital currencies like BSV, there could be a gauge of marvels, and there could be wizardry in the transient too in an unpretentious manner. 5 years is quite a while. According to specialists' report, with a pandemic immunization coming to the front, it might mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV in a sort of large manner. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the truly long haul as opposed to the present moment. It would basically not in a real sense be an embellishment that this valued digital currency could essentially break every one of the boundaries and really endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $156.27, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2025 in a quite large manner, with government-issued types of money unfit to generally support themselves directly following the pandemic. This could for the most part come as a respite for all BSV financial backers, driving them to the way of kind of high expectations and goals to execute in Bitcoin SV, with a touch of tolerance in keeping the for the most part trusts certainly high in the really long haul. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of BSV would develop dramatically. By when Bitcoin SV might be a carefully prepared player, which sort of is genuinely huge. Check here are especially other long-haul cryptographic money forecasts, which is very huge. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2026. The BSV cost estimate especially has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the outset towards the year's end in an unobtrusive manner. The coin may explicitly fill quickly, particularly for unions in this year 2026. New organizations would generally bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially most certainly regarded digital money cost fixed at $176.75. Is BSV crypto a kind of wise venture, or so they thought? Bitcoin SV can explicitly be a productive venture choice, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost certainly rises to $89.73 as of now. However, financial backers should basically do earlier truly an expected level of effort prior to reaping the exchange's monetary prizes a significant way. The cost expectation for Bitcoin SV is that it would generally get $141.11 throughout the following year. Continue to follow the cost estimate in the news and the really normal day and graph for most extreme editions. Where could I at any point exchange and most certainly purchase BSV? At the present time, you can generally purchase Bitcoin at a sort of good number of cryptographic money trades, including Binance, which sort of is genuinely huge. When you in every practical sense have your exchanging account set up at